What up, tube? It's Monday, President's Day. What is it? February 20. I think it's February 19th. It's my girl's birthday week. So I got a lot of things going on this week. I gotta get ready. We're having a big barbecue for her on Sunday. So I got things I gotta get ready for this week. But first, today is Monday. It's my Friday. So I'm already one barber short again. And today I expected to be extremely busy because it is President's Day and nobody works. So guess what? When nobody works, people show up to the barbershop to give. In fact, if your shop's not open today, shame on you. You're losing out. You're taking money out of your own pocket. If you don't work today, shame on you. You should be making money. Today, I guarantee you will be like a Saturday or a Friday. It's just an extra day of money in that shop. And everybody who doesn't work today is just leaving it out on the table. But I got my Barber Beast hat on, guys. I know I'm going to be short-handed. I'm going to have to excuse my language, I'm going to have to pump it up to another level today and just get it going. So it is what it is. That's what I do. So that's where I'm headed right now. So I'm going to see if I get into some haircuts. I'll post it later. Sorry for yesterday. I didn't vlog. It was extremely busy. So busy, and I was short-handed again. I had a Sunday, and we're only open from 8 to 1:30, and I did as much as I do on Saturdays and Fridays, so it was extremely busy. So with that, I'm gonna get to the shop and I'll stay in contact. Late. What up, tube? So what I'm doing right here is I am getting hot towels ready for this week. What I do is I moisten my towels all up. Actually get them soaked. Let all the water soak into them. And what I do is I take out the water, not all of it. You have to leave it still moist enough so that they'll get hot in the steamer. And you need to do this every 2 to 3 days if you don't use the towels, because if you don't, actually every other day, because if you don't, what they do is they dry up. A dried up hot towel is no good. It has to be moist when you. And what I do when I take it out of the hot steamer and use it on a customer, I take all the water out of it like this, and then I extend it. By that time, it's nice, hot, and steamy. Let me fold this one back up so I can re-wet it. You don't want to take all the water out of it when you wet them up, because if you do, empty out the water tree at the bottom. Now we have our hot towels ready for the day. About a half hour they'll be ready to be used. 1:30. Just ran out to get me a burrito. Going back in there to work right now. It's been slam busy today. We knew it would be because of school's out right here today and nobody's working, so everybody's at the barbershop. 3 of us working. I'm probably at least 9 cuts in. So see what's up. Get back with you guys. I'm posting 2 cuts in a little bit too. What's up, guys? I took a break from the shop, slowed down a little bit. I'm gonna run down to the store to pick up some supplies. I need to get some disinfectants for my cleaning today, got it for the restroom and stuff like that. It's funny, I just got off the phone with my mom, but she cracks me up, man, because she just talking smack. My mom's the biggest smack talker, you know? She's the most nicest, politest lady, but man, she could run one on me. It's hilarious. I love her. I love her to death. She has every right. She can do whatever she wants. That's the way it is. Mama's rule. All right, guys. I'm gonna go down to Smart Final and pick up some supplies. I'm gonna be back to the shop. Maybe do a couple more cuts.
We met at a concert. You were wearing Converse. I'm not good at playing mid pool. You said I was funny. I spent all my money. Then your friend get thrown in the pool.
All right, guys, just got done cleaning the shop right now. It's about 7:15. It's already kind of late. I've been here all day. Super crazy busy day today. It was a day off, so a lot of people were off. Therefore, they came to the shop. We expected that. I was short-handed one guy again, but luckily I called in another person. They came in to help us out. My daughter. Thank you. But turned out to be a really good day. Okay, tomorrow's my day off. Wednesday's my day off. So I'll be back Thursday. This week is birthday week for my girl. Happy birthday, girl. So, I got a lot of things going on, man. I got a little party going on Sunday. Tomorrow I got to do some cleanup around my house because I'm throwing a little party on like I said, on Sunday. So I got to do some repairs on my fence and stuff. So got a busy day ahead tomorrow. I don't know if I'm going to vlog tomorrow. So if I don't, I'll see you guys back on Thursday. Take care.